Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cipher in Honkai Star Rail. This engaging minigame challenges your deduction skills by presenting you with encrypted messages. Your goal is to decipher these messages by correctly assigning letters to various symbols. It's a fun way to uncover lore and progress through certain quests. We'll cover the simple steps to get you started and mastering these puzzles in no time. When you encounter a cipher puzzle, you'll see a grid with various symbols representing letters. Your first step is to select a symbol, which will then show you a list of possible letters it could be. Pay close attention to the length of words and any letters already revealed. For example, if you see a three-letter word ending in E, you can narrow down possibilities significantly. Each correct guess helps fill in other instances of that same symbol across the entire message. To solve ciphers efficiently, begin by searching for very common single-letter words like A or I, as these are often easy to deduce. Next, look for short words with repeating symbols, such as a three-letter word where the first and third symbols are identical, suggesting words like dad or mom. Context is key. Consider the overall theme of the message. If you're truly stumped, the game offers a hint feature, but try to solve it yourself first for maximum satisfaction. Consistent practice is the best way to master cipher puzzles. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing common letter frequencies and word structures. Always consider the number of letters in each word. A 5-letter word will have different possibilities than a 2-letter word. Think about the grammatical flow of the sentence as you fill in letters. With a bit of patience and keen observation, you'll soon be cracking even the most challenging ciphers with ease, enhancing your Honkai Star Rail experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.